Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a rain detector. For making rain detector we need aluminium foil, one box, one buzzer, one battery connector, one battery, one switch, some wire, insulation tape, instant glue and some sellotape. So friends, we have completed the project. Now let's test it. We will keep this project at our roof of our home, and whenever the rain would occur, the drops would touch the surface and the buzzer would ring. For example, this is the water of rain. See, the buzzer is ringing, so our project is working. If you enjoy the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you.